In this video, I'm going to teach you how to 1v1 in Call of Duty Mobile with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. COD Mobile features private multiplayer options, which means that you will be able to set up a 1v1 against your friends. To do this, first make sure that you have your friend added. So go over to the social tab. You can tap on this little icon that you see at the top right corner on any game, mode, or menu. Now in here you will see your current friends. You can see incoming friend requests, but most importantly you can find the option to add friends. So if you still haven't added the friend that you will be 1v1ing, choose the option here, add friend, and then look for your particular friend. If they don't appear on this list, make sure that they have completed the tutorial, double check their username, and as long as you typed it out properly, they will appear here. So one of you sends the friend request, the other person can search for the person they need to add, or just go over to friends and they should see the friend request appear here as a notification. Either way, just make sure that you have added each other. Now to actually set up the 1v1 lobby, choose the mode where you want to do 1v1. So for this example, multiplayer, but other modes should also have private lobbies available if you want to do 1v1 in there. And now to set up the 1v1 lobby, tap on this icon here. So these three lines that you see at the top right corner of the screen, this will open a drop down menu, and now you should see private. If you don't see private, this could indicate that a particular mode that you selected doesn't have private lobbies available, or that it is going to be elsewhere. So just look for the private option. Now in here you will see all of the friends online that you can invite, but before you do that, make sure that you change the game settings. So tap on match settings at the left and then change the kill limit and the time limit. You can set these according to your preferences, but I would recommend setting the time limit to 300 seconds, so half of the usual, which should equal to 5 minutes, and the kill limit can be up to you. Something like 20 or 15 might be suitable, but if you want to do longer sessions, then you can increase these values accordingly. Make sure that you allow invites, so scroll down and find the option to allow invites, confirm, and now you can select your friend at the right side of the screen and invite. They will join your lobby and they will go into the opposing team. Once your friend has joined one of these alternative slots on the opposing team, then you can go ahead, choose the map, make sure that you select Team Deathmatch. This is going to be the best suited game mode for a 1v1, but you can change this if you prefer, and then tap Start. You are going to load up in a 1v1 against your friend on the selected map and game mode, and you can make as many private lobbies as you want. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.